Posko.
Here's the Klub Frisbee Jakarta Sanggar Alam Kita Posko. Still got donations that came today. Some futang, some sotomi, and some bunch of oh, there's my bag. I might forget that. And yogi with the guitar.
Halo Robin. Ini Tare, kangen sama Robin.
Robin from the Bintangs left quite an impression with trees. I don't know. I have no idea where this water is coming from. Ini airnya dari mana nih? Iya, dari atas dari mana? Oh, lagi bersihin. Oh, they're cleaning. Yes. The water was up to that level you can see there. So, again, we'll measure by John. My hand is at least 1.5 meters below that. And this is a couple of meters, oh maybe probably 1 meter elevated from the river. So it was even worse. And we've got all the usual suspects here. Aming, Sijang, Desti, Yo-Yo, Sugi. Still homeless.